The G3 series consists of huge amount of different products, including the G3 smartphone series, the G3 rugged phone series, G3 tablet series, and the G3 earbuds. These products will be coming with a unique design and new colors to help distinguish them from their predecessors. The smartphone series consists of the G3, the G3 Plus, and the G3 Max. The rugged series consists of the G3 Mecha, the G3 Plus Mecha, and the G3 Max Mecha, while the tablet series consists of the G3 Tab and the G3 Max Tab. And then there's the G3 earbuds. So the G3 smartphone series, according to online reputable sources, would be running on the Android 13 and would feature a 50MP camera, while the G3 rugged series, according to UMIDIGI, would be the thinnest and the lightest rugged phones to be launched globally. I think what it means is they will be among the lightest and the thinnest rugged phones around. Anyway, this is what I wanted you guys to know. The UMIDIGI G3 series, as you can see, are coming with unique designs, beautiful colors, and lots of other cool features that we might actually love to see. I'd like to hear your thoughts about these upcoming products from UMIDIGI. Feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.